Quantitative aptitude 1. So quantitative aptitude 4 books are there. This is the first book. It is quantitative aptitude 1. Now in the first book, second topic, square root it is. Now square root, already 3 parts are over. Now in this video I will discuss with you the specific questions. MNCs, multinational companies, specific questions on square and square root it is. All of you open your book, and try to understand. Now I will discuss with you. So question number 1. So question number 1 is the square root of 2025. How can you calculate square root of 2025? Already we discussed this. Square root of 2025. How can you calculate this? Very simple strategy you have to apply. How can you calculate the square root of perfect square? Already we learnt this concept. Now observe the last digit be 5. If the last digit is 5, now here also 5 it is. Here also 5 it is. Now after 2 digits put comma. Now calculate the square root of this. Calculate the square root of 20. What is the square root of 20? Lies between 4 and 5. 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Between 4 and 5 means you have to take the smaller value, 4 it is. So 4. So what is the answer for this? 45. This is the strategy you have to apply. That is question number 1. Now what is question number 2 here? See the material, all of you see the material, open your booklet. Now what is the question number 2? Root 54 into root 6. So what is the value of this? How can you simplify? This is question number 2 it is. Now how can you simplify this? Root 54 into root 6 it is. Now root 54 can be written as 9 into 6 into root 6 it is. So this can be written as now root 9 into root 6 it is. Into again root 6 it is. Now root 9 can be written as 3 into root 6 into root 6 is root 6 whole square. Square and root gets cancelled, get 6 it is. So 3 into 6. What is 3 into 6? 18. So 18 is the answer for the second question. Okay, understood all of you? Now we'll go for question number 3 it is. What is question number 3? See your material. What is question number 3? What is question number 3? Now here square root of root 248 square root of now here it is given square root of root 248 plus again square root of within bracket it is given 51 plus again root of 280 169. So what is the value of this? How can you calculate it? See here all of you observe from inner to outer you have to calculate. From inner to outer means from last to two. It is. This is the strategy you have to follow. First you have to calculate root 169. We know 13 square. 13 square is 169. So root 169 is 13. So in place of that you have to take, suppose see here square root of 248 plus okay, square root of now 51 plus root 169 is 13. So 51 plus 13. How much 51 plus 13 here? So 64 it is. Now square root of 248 plus root 64. Understood all of you? Now root 64 is, we know 8 square it is. Square and root gets cancelled. Root 64 is 8. So square root of 248 plus 8 it is. So 248 plus 8 is root of 256. Root of 256 is, it is 16 square 256. So the answer be 16 it is. So all these are previous MNC companies questions it is. Understood all of you? Now see here, one more question I will discuss with you. So see here in our book, okay, open our book and see. Now question number 4. Question number 4, root of 25 by 16. A very simple question, root of 25 by 16. So what is the value of this it is? What is the value of this? Root of 25 by 16. So we know root 25 is 5, root 16 is 4. You have to write separately root 25 by root 16. Root 25 is 5, root 16 is 4, 6 by 4, 5 by 4. Now it can be written as a fraction or a decimal also you have to write. So its answer will be 5 by 4 it is. Now see here question number 5. All these are previous question. Now here root 15 equal to is given. If root 15 is equal to 3.88 it is given. 3.88 is given. Then what is the value of so you have to calculate the value of root 5 by 3. What is the value of root 5 by 3? What is the value? By using this, you have to calculate the value of root 5 by 3 it is. Okay, root 50 is given. That you have to apply. Now, root 5 by 3 can be written as now by multiplying root 3 in numerator and denominator. So here into 3, in the denominator also into 3, its value cannot be changed. Why you take only into 3? So 5 is there, into 3 means 15. So root 15 is given. That is the simple plan you have to make. So in the numerator into 3, denominator into 3, its value cannot be changed. Now this can be written as now root 15 by, so root 3 into 3, 3 square. Square and root gets cancelled. We get to 3 it is. Root 15 by 3. What is root 15? It is given 3.88 by 3. So what is its value now? So 3 1s are 3. Now 3 2s are 6. So 3 9s are 27, approximately 1.29 is the answer. Understood all of you? So one more question I will discuss with you. Now in the material, next question is now 6th you can do it. 6th, see here, what is the value of what is given here? Square root of 1369 is 27, 37 it is given. Question number 6. Square root of 1369. This clue is given. 1369 value is given 37. By using this, you have to calculate the value of square root of 13.69. This value you have to calculate. Square root of 13.69 plus square root of 0.1369 plus square root of 0.001369. So what is the plus? One more is there, square root of again 0.401369. What is the value of this? Okay. So already we learned in square and square root decimal is given. How can you calculate? So already I think the part 1, the relation between square and square root. So part 1 video you have to see, you can understood very easily. Now how can you calculate the value of this one? See here, what is the strategy you have to apply? Now this we know, what is the value of this one now? So here it is 37. You have to write 37. Then where you place the decimal? After decimal, two digits make it as one group. Only one group is there. One group means after decimal 1 digit. So 3.7. Its value be 3.7 plus. Similarly, so you have to write 37. Then where you place the decimal? After decimal, two digits make it as one group. How many groups are there? 2 groups again. 2 groups means in the answer after decimal 2 digits are there. After decimal 2 digits means what is its value? 0.0013. 37. Similarly, what is the value of this now? It is also 37, but two digits make it as one group. How many groups are there here? 3 groups. 3 groups means after decimal 3 digits it is. After decimal 3 digits means what is its value? 0.037. After decimal 3 digits here 0.037. Similarly, what is the value of this now? Again 37 you have to write. Now where you place the decimal, two digits make it as one group. How many groups are there here? 4 groups are there. After decimal 4 digits. After decimal 4 digits means so what is its value? 0.0037. So by adding all this, what is its value? Okay, by adding all this, what is its value? See here. How can you add this one? We can do it 3.7. Under decimal, you have to write the decimal 0.37. Now 0.037. Now 0.0037. This is. Now here 7, 7, 3, 10 here. 7, 3, 10 plus 1, 11. 7, 3, 10 plus 1, 11. Point. Now here 4. So what is the final answer of this one? 4.1107. Okay. So the remaining examples, see how to practice on your own. You can do it very easily. Thank you to all of you.